Crash course on Brazil. With its vibrant culture and natural beauty, Brazil is a popular destination for adventure and exploration. Sure, let's start. Brazil is a country known for its vibrant culture, diverse people, and natural beauty. It is located in South America and is the largest country on the continent, covering over 8.5 million square kilometers. Brazil has a rich history and is home to a wide range of attractions that draw millions of tourists each year. From the bustling cities to the stunning natural landscapes, Brazil has something for everyone. One of the most fascinating aspects of Brazilian culture is its music. Brazil is known for its samba, bossa nova, and choro music, which have become popular around the world. One of the most famous Brazilian musicians is Antonio Carlos Jobim, who is credited with creating the bossa nova sound that became popular in the 1960s. Brazil is also home to some incredible natural wonders, including the Amazon rainforest, the largest rainforest in the world. The Amazon River runs through the rainforest and is the second longest river in the world. Another natural wonder is Iguazu Falls, a series of waterfalls located on the border between Brazil and Argentina. Aside from its natural beauty, Brazil is also known for its exciting cities. Rio de Janeiro is one of the most famous cities in Brazil and is known for its vibrant nightlife, beautiful beaches, and iconic landmarks such as Christ the Redeemer statue. São Paulo is another major city in Brazil and is known for its skyscrapers, museums, and cultural attractions. Here are the top 12 attractions to visit in Brazil. 1. Christ the Redeemer. This iconic statue is located in Rio de Janeiro and is one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world. 2. Ipanema Beach. This stunning beach is located in Rio de Janeiro and is famous for its beautiful views and lively atmosphere. 3. Sugarloaf Mountain. This mountain offers breathtaking views of Rio de Janeiro and is a popular destination for tourists. 4. The Amazon Rainforest. This vast rainforest is home to an incredible array of plants and animals and is a must-visit destination for nature lovers. 5. Copacabana Beach. Another beautiful beach located in Rio de Janeiro, Copacabana is known for its white sand and turquoise waters. 6. Salvador. This city is located in the state of Bahia and is known for its rich history and vibrant culture. 7. Iguazu Falls. This stunning series of waterfalls is located on the border between Brazil and Argentina and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 8. Brasilia. The capital of Brazil is known for its modern architecture and is a fascinating destination for architecture enthusiasts. 9. Fernando de Noronha. This archipelago is located off the coast of Brazil and is known for its pristine beaches and crystal-clear waters. 10. Recife. This city is known for its beautiful historic center and lively cultural scene. 11. Chapada Diamantina. This national park is located in the state of Bahia and is known for its stunning landscapes and natural beauty. 12. Ouro Preto. This historic town is located in the state of Minas Gerais and is known for its well-preserved colonial architecture. In summary, Brazil is a country that offers a wide range of attractions for tourists. From its vibrant cities to its stunning natural landscapes, there is something for everyone in Brazil. Its music, culture, and history are also fascinating and make for a memorable travel experience. And now, as requested, here's a poem and song about Brazil. Poem. Brazil, a land of sun and sea. A place where adventure waits for thee. From the Amazon's lush greenery to the vibrant cities of Rio and São Paulo, what a scenery. The rhythm of the samba fills the air as colorful parades dance everywhere. Carnival brings a festive flair, with costumes, music, and joy to share. The beaches of Copacabana and Ipanema invite you to soak up the sun and dream of utopia. Surf the waves or just relax. Life here is vibrant and nothing is ever lax. In Brazil, you'll find a cultural blend of Portuguese, African, and indigenous trends. The food, music, and art they lend a unique flavor that will never end. So pack your bags and book your flight to Brazil, a place where day turns to night. Experience the warmth of its people's delight and make memories that will shine bright. Song. Verse 1. In Brazil, the sun is shining bright. A land of beauty that's quite a sight. The Amazon and its lush greenery. A paradise that's never dreary. Chorus. Samba fills the air with rhythm and fun. A party that never seems to be done. Carnival's parade, colorful and bright, brings joy and happiness to light. Verse 2. The beaches of Copacabana and Ipanema. A place to relax or catch a wave's dilemma. The food, music, and art that blend. A cultural richness that never ends. Chorus. Samba fills the air with rhythm and fun. A party that never seems to be done. Carnival's parade, colorful and bright, brings joy and happiness to light. Bridge. Brazil, a land of contrasts. From the hustle of the city to the quiet of the past. Its people warm and full of life. A spirit that never seems to strife. Chorus. Samba fills the air with rhythm and fun. A party that never seems to be done. Carnival's parade, colorful and bright, brings joy and happiness to light. Asterisk asterisk asterisk. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Brazil has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Brazil, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse Team.